Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Fritz here with my friend Snowman Dan. We're coming to you from a hotel room here in Ellensburg, Washington in Kittitas County. Full disclosure, Sure Stay by Best Western is not a sponsor of this video. And Dunkin Donuts is not a sponsor of this video. Today we're going to taste test the Dunkin iced coffee cake batter donut. Coffee and milk beverage. My friend Snowman Dan bought this earlier today at Winco Foods in Wenatchee for $2.78. Full disclosure, this particular can has an expiration date of September 14th, 2023. 11 fluid ounces. Earlier today we were up at Blewett Pass, did some exploring. Cooked up some hot dogs, walked around the old town side of Blewett.
Looking for some history.
Digging up history, figuratively. And now we're here in Ellensburg for the night. And tomorrow we're going to check out my old stomping grounds, the old alma mater.
Also my own.
That's his alma mater as well. Special shout out to Rachel. Now we're going to pour the Dunkin iced coffee. If you've had this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. Cake batter donut flavored. Ta-da! How are we looking, Snowman Dan? Ooh, oh, fizzy. Okay. Ooh, it smells rich and chocolatey.
Ooh.
Mmm. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah, would you like the can or the cup, Snowman Dan?
Whichever.
Would you like a little bit more? Cheers, everybody. Clank. Oh, it's their bakery series. Ta-da. Woo. Wow, the coffee is really coming through on that. Smooth, creamy. It tastes like someone took angel food cake, put it in a blender, mixed it with coffee, and added that artificial vanilla, like a vanilla equivalent. Flavoring to it. It's almost it's a little tart, but I'm not a normally I don't drink coffee, so that might just be my taste buds trying to figure out what's going on, what I'm putting in my mouth. But it really is sweet. It does taste like cake. Wow, that coffee is strong though. But it's a good combo. The sweetness, the savoriness. Ooh, it's sweet. I can taste the sugar in that. We got, yeah, there's 30 grams of sugar in this can. It says best served chilled. Well, we've had this in the refrigerator here at the hotel for a few minutes, so it is fairly cool, not room temperature. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the Dunkin iced coffee cake batter donut flavored coffee and milk beverage. I'll give that a 7.95. Now I'm going to hand over the figurative mic to Snowman Dan for his assessment. Take it away, Snowman Dan.
I'll give it an 8.
What did you think about the flavor combo?
It tasted alright.
No, exactly. It wouldn't be my first choice. Ooh, boy, that's sweet.
For me, it kind of came in with a stronger flavor at first, and then after I drank it a little bit, it sort of kind of got more, maybe a little sweet, more sweet. Whereas the first drink or two tasted more. You tasted the coffee a little more, but then I tasted the cake part after that more.
Coffee coming on strong. Ooh, aftertaste. I wonder how this would be as a root beer float. Try some of this with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and mix it with root beer. I don't know how that would work, or if the taste would just contrast too much. Intriguing.
I guess you have to try that someday.
If you've tried that, let me know. Wow. Full disclosure, this one has 135 milligrams of caffeine. And so thankfully, it's still early enough in the afternoon that don't have to worry about staying up at night because it's caffeine. Not bad. The more I drink it, it's starting to grow on me a little bit. It's almost like an extra sweet frappuccino. Intriguing. Or like one of those with a shot of vanilla. Almost. There you go.
There you go.
Until next time, applesauce. Bye everybody. Have a great rest of your night. Safe travels. Special shout out to Rachel. She's in a different county right now. We're in a different county than normal. Oh. Ta-da. Bye everybody. Ding, 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 ding. Ding.
Whoop. Hit the button.